Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, and this is the free video for Friday, June 13th. Now, this is a very good example of a big fish trade that just won't quit. Looking at Priceline, again, we were playing a pullback type of big fish trade from this swing low based on May 8th all the way to the swing high on May 29th. Quick pullback. And we got into the big fish trade right here at 12:45 with both directional and bearish call credit spreads. That was last Thursday. Price of Priceline dropped until we touched the 50-day EMA here on the 11th, which was this past Wednesday. From that point, we rebounded very strongly. Now, the trade I took was from roughly 12. I'll have to look at it from roughly about 12.50, 12.55 down to a low of 12.11. So roughly a $40 move. And then we subsequently bounced. We made a moderately overvalued level yesterday, and then we closed at the bottom of the bar below the 8 on the 21, and today it's been a little bounce, but then broke through the 50-day moving average and then continued lower. What's interesting is the MQ, the squeeze histogram bars have been falling the entire time. Momentum faded a little bit to the downside. Momentum faded a little bit, and then we just broke lower. So at this point, we are looking at a continuation of this big fish trade. Now, I do not have a position, but if I do get the opportunity to go short Priceline today, I might just do it, because we are approaching the 50% retracement level, which is at roughly 190. That is approximately $6 further down from here. But with this momentum profile and the fact we have not even turned red yet, there's a very good chance we could come all the way down to the 618 level, and that is roughly the 165 level. So that right there, 165, puts us roughly $30 from our current price. And if we manage to break the 618, if the markets really weaken, then it is very likely we could come down to the MQ trend dots, which are at 1134. A lot of downside potential here. It looks like a strong continuation move. Just look for bounces at the 50% retracement at 190 or the 618% retracement level roughly at 165. Okay, if we continue to go through those levels with momentum, we have a very strong potential to come down to 1136. Okay, a lot of downside potential here in Priceline still. Again, Priceline, big fish trade, part 2.